Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to remove automatic keyboard in app drawer on Realme C67 device. Well, every time you open the app drawer like this, and then the keyboard will appear automatically. And then if you want to turn it off, and then you can do the following steps. First, please long press any screen here, and then select Home Settings. And then you can tap on the app drawer settings. Okay, and then here will be displayed some app drawer settings on your device. And then to turn off the automatic keyboard in the app drawer, you can turn it off, this option. So let's check it now. Okay, and then the automatic keyboard in the app drawer was successfully turned off. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to turn off automatic keyboard in the app drawer on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel.